we will guide you through how to convert photo to art in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the project containing the photo you want to convert into an artwork. Once the image is open, duplicate the original image layer so you can keep the untouched photo available for comparison while working on the artistic version. And then go to the Filter menu at the top of the Photoshop interface. From there, open Filter Gallery and wait for the Filter Gallery window to fully appear before continuing. When the window opens, browse through the available artistic filters and look at the different styles they can create from your photo. Choose an artistic effect such as cutout, dry brush, or paint daubs, depending on the type of artwork you want to achieve. After selecting an effect, adjust its available settings to control the strength and appearance of the transformation. Make small changes while watching how they affect the image so the final result does not become too strong or lose important details from the original photo. Check the preview of the artistic effect carefully and look at the overall appearance, including the amount of detail, texture, and contrast created by the filter. If the current effect does not produce the style you want, try another artistic filter and review its preview before deciding which one works best. Once you are satisfied with the selected effect and its settings, click OK to apply the effect to the duplicated layer. After the filter has been applied, compare the edited layer with the original photo by using the eye icon in the Layers panel to hide and show the edited layer. This lets you switch between the original and artistic versions and clearly see how much the photo has changed. When the finished artwork looks the way you want, save the project or export the completed artwork in your preferred format.